What's up, guys? It's almost monkey mayhem. It's only a little bit of time. We'll check. Yeah, there's like 10 minutes. So, I'm gonna show you what they added so far for Monkey Mayhem, and I'm gonna make a video on when it actually comes out. So, they added each YouTuber's like combos of things. So, like for example, this is Mellow Melt. This is, I forget, this is VMT. A kid said who that was. I'm forgetting, I think this is like Majora, Eric, and I think TTT. And then, of course, they have the bundles. These are exclusive cosmetics. At least I think these two are also. But these are all exclusive cosmetics for Monkey Mayhem. This one is different because the normal headband is blue and red. It's a badge. This is a rose. I don't see what's different from the actual rose. And then, of course, another headset, which I'm going to take off the pumpkin for this, but I'm putting it right back on. Because I don't think it works if I have the pumpkin hat on. There, let me take that off. Alright, ready? Monkey face reveal in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It wasn't that good because you can't see my face actually. But according to my calculations, what the heck? Do I have to like the heck? I don't see what's happening. Someone could tell me, but there's also this one. There you go. Come on. I don't see how it works, but that's what that is. You know what? You'll see what my avatar looks like without it. That's what my avatar looks like without the pumpkin hat on. Oh. I actually hate monkey faces, so I went to pumpkin back last year. Again, you can't have both things on, so pumpkin it is. I used to wear this, actually. The heck? Oh, I'm on hat. So, yeah, that's basically all there is for right now. But Monkey Mayhem, again, it begins very shortly. Let me just check. Begins in like 7 minutes, I think. I'm not sure if I'm Eastern time or whatever. I'm a vegetarian, bro. I can't decide on that. Ranked. Oh yeah, ranks over there. I forgot. Comp is like so easy nowadays. I feel like everyone just completes it. Complete it. Still. So that's where that rank thing is. I've completely forgot about for the past like month or two. That's all there is for right now. Wait, what's the current map for down here? Is it still the caves or whatever? Too dark for me to see. They should have like flashlights in the game or something. I don't know. Something. Anyways, I'll see you at Monkey Mayhem. Bye.